Morning, students. Yesterday we discussed about introduction to polymers. That is module 3. In the in the module 3 engineering material, we'll discuss about polymers classification with examples, polymerization, classification of polymerization. Classification of polymerization are three types. Yesterday we discussed one is the addition polymerization, condensation polymerization, and one more is copolymerization. Next one is plastics. So now once again we'll discuss about the types of polymerization or classification of polymerization. Polymerization is the process or it is a chemical reaction in which the monomers are combined to form a large molecule or gain molecule with or without elimination of small molecule takes place. That are called as polymerization. Suppose, for example, we are taking CH2 double bond CH2. So this is the ethylene molecule. N number of ethylene molecule undergo polymerization in presence of temperature, pressure, and catalyst that form as a polythene. CH2, 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 CH2 taken n times. Here you see there is no removal of small molecules. Directly double bonds are converting into single bonds. Here CH2 double bond CH2 is there now. In this double bonds are converting into single bonds only. There is no elimination of small molecule takes place. But some of the polymers, when the polymers or formation takes place, at that time small molecules like H2O, HCl or NaOH or CH2OH, CH2OH, alcohols, etc. These all are removing takes place. So this process is called as polymerization. So these polymerizations are mainly three types of polymerizations are there. So one is now polymerization, one is the addition polymerization, next one is the condensation polymerization, third one is the copolymerization. According to our syllabus, only we have addition polymerization and condensation polymerization is there, but we'll discuss about the copolymerization also. Now, what is the addition polymerization? Now, see here. Right. Now we'll discuss about the addition polymerization. Additional polymerization. Once again, listen, students. Yesterday already we discussed. Addition polymerization means exact multiple of version molecule is called as addition polymerization. Exact multiple of version molecule is called as addition polymerization. So exact multiple means again we'll take the CH2 double bond CH2. So that is the ethylene molecule. This will undergo polymerization. That form as a H2C, CH2, CH2, CH2 taken n times. Here in this n number of ethylene molecule undergo polymerization in presence of temperature, pressure and catalyst that form as a long hydrocarbon chain formation takes place. So this is called as polymer. Which type of polymer? This is the addition polymer. Addition polymerization means exact multiple of version molecule is called as addition polymer. Exact multiple of version molecule is called as addition polymer. So in the addition polymerization, double bonds are converting into single bonds only. There is no elimination of any small molecule takes place. So in the addition polymers, the monomers are repeating units. The monomers are the repeating units. So now one example is so in that first one is preparation of polythene, that is CH2 double bond CH2 that will undergo polymerization, that form as a CH2 taken n times. So this is the polythene, one example. And next one is the vinyl chloride, CH2 double bond CHCl. So this is called, this is the vinyl chloride that form as a H2C CHCl taken n times. So this is called as PVC. Now one more example is polyacryl preparation of polyacrylonitrile. So instead of Cl, we are taking the CN, that is called as acrylonitrile. H2C double bond CHCN. So this is called as acrylonitrile. This will undergo again polymerization in presence of temperature, pressure, and catalyst. We are getting the polyacrylonitrile CN taken n times. Polyacrylonitrile formation takes place. Or one more example. One more example is styrene. If you are taking a styrene, CH2C double bond CH. So this is a structure of styrene molecule. Undergo polymerization in presence of temperature, pressure, and catalyst that form as a H2C CH taken polystyrene. So this is the fourth example. One more is propylene. Propylene means H2C double bond CH CH3 undergo polymerization that form as a H2C CH taken n times. Polypropylene. Polypropylene. So these all are the examples in the examination point of view. If they ask about the addition polymers, so first you have to write the what is the addition polymer. Addition polymer means the exact multiple of original molecule is called as addition polymer. So in the addition polymer, double bonds are converting into single bonds. There is no elimination of any small molecule takes place. And here the polymer molecule contains the monomer units, repeating of monomer units. So this is about the addition polymerization. This is about addition polymerization. Okay, any doubts here? If you have any doubts, please raise your hand. Huh? Hemant. Okay.
Hello, sir.
Okay, na?
Okay.
Any doubts here? So these all reactions you have to practice it. Then that is easy. Okay, any 3 or 4 examples are enough in examination point of view. These all are same. All are same. Here you see polythene is there, no? Polythene, ethylene molecule CH double bond CH2. Vinyl chloride CH double bond CHCl. Acrylonitrile CH2 double bond CHCN. Styrene CH2 double bond CH benzene ring. Now one more is propylene means this is the propylene. Propylene, it having methyl group. So these are the difference between this one. Already we discussed homopolymer. So addition polymer, you say ethylene molecule, ethylene undergo polymerization that form as a polyethylene, polyethylene. So this is styrene, vinyl chloride, now vinyl chloride that form as a polyvinyl chloride. Let's see, observe. Okay, vinyl chloride. Next one is condensation polymerization. Listen carefully, condensation polymerization. So in the condensation polymerization, means the monomers, elimination of small molecule takes place when monomers are combined to form a large molecular gain molecule with elimination of small molecule takes place. That is called as condensation polymerization. That is called as condensation polymerization. In the condensation polymerization, different types of monomers are involving takes place. So that is the best example. That one is, suppose for example is nylon 6. So this nylon 6 is prepared by caprolactam. So the structure of caprolactam is CH2, 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 NH, C double bond O. So you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, CH2. So this structure of this one is caprolactam. So this caprolactam undergo polymerization, ring breakage takes, ring breakage or ring cleavage takes place. That means in between the NH and C double bond O is, so this NH and C double bond O bond is NH and C double bond O bond is called as amide bond. Amide bond forming. This amide bond breakage takes place that form as a nylon 6. So that is NCH2 taken 5 times, C double bond O taken n times, n number of monomer. This is the nylon 6. So why we are called as nylon 6? How many carbons are there? 5 plus 1. 5 plus 1, that is equal to 6 carbons are present. So simply we are called as, this one is nylon 6. So condensation, in the condensation polymerization, the monomers are combined to form a large molecule with elimination of small molecule takes place and strong bond formation takes place. When the polymerase formation takes place, now that polymer is hard and very brittle. So that example for condensation polymerization is nylon 6, nylon 6 and urea formaldehyde, and one more is bakelite and novolac, etc., or polysilicones. These all are PET, polyethylene terephthalate. These all are the example for condensation polymerization. In the condensation polymerization, small molecules are removed takes place. But here, in the caprolactam, in the preparation of nylon 6, there is no elimination of small molecules takes place. But the polymer is prepared by condensation polymerization. Some of the polymers are without losing of small molecules or small atoms takes place. Again, that will form also condensed products. Okay, this is one example for nylon condensation polymerization. One more example is nylon 6. So in the nylon 6, so the main important compounds are hexamethylene diamine. The structure of hexamethylene diamine is hexamethylene diamine. The structure of hexamethylene diamine is H2N, CH2 taken 6 times, NH2. This is the hexamethylene diamine. Is reaction with adipic acid. The structure of adipic acid is X number and Y number or N number of hexamethyl diamine and N number of 35, rule number 35. Rule number hexamethyl diamine and adipic acid. The structure of adipic acid is C double bond O, CH2 C double bond O, OH. So N number of hexamethyl diamine, and this is the adipic acid. Undergo polymerization, removing of water molecule takes place that form as a HN CH2 taken 6 times, NH C double bond O, CH2 taken 4 times, and C double bond O taken n times. So this is the preparation of nylon 66. So in the nylon 66, what are the monomers of nylon 66? The monomers of nylon 66 is hexamethyl diamine and adipic acid. Undergo polymerization, removing of small molecules like water molecule takes place that form as a nylon 66. So this is the one example for condensation polymerization. And so this is a note down these reactions. Hexamethyl diamine and adipic acid that form as a nylon 66.
Sir, sir, create a new slide, sir, blank slide, and write in that, sir. Create a new blank slide, sir. It will be white, no, sir. On that you can write, sir. It will be more clear.
This is also white, na screen?
No, sir, it's not clearly visible. You're writing on a slide.
It is not visible.
On PPT, sir.
Okay, PPT, that is not visible.
Yes, sir.
Visible or not?
Sir, you are writing on other slide.
These are visible or not?
No, sir.
It's visible, sir, but it's not clear, sir. You're writing on the slide. Please take any plain background and write it, sir.
This white background only. I'm writing on the white background.
No, sir, you are writing on the other slide.
Sir, you
The
create
slide
one
is-
more slide, sir.
Okay. Blank. You want blank, right? Blank slide.
Yes, sir.
So now the polymerization, condensation polymerization is showing or not? Hello?
So your presentation is stuck again.
Presentation is showing the polymerization and condensation polymerization.
It's showing the third slide, sir. Engineering materials or the briefing of the syllabus.
Engineering material and the polymerization, condensation polymerization is showing or not?
No, sir.
No?
The syllabus for this module, the third slide is showing up. On that, the whatever you are written, it is showing.
Okay, sure. Okay. Now what is showing now?
It's showing
Engineering
module
materials, sir.
Huh?
slide.
Same, sir.
Polymerization is showing or not? Polymerization, addition polymerization is showing or not?
No, sir.
No?
Sir, you are sharing only one window, sir. Share the whole screen, then everything will be seen.
Only one window is there.
Yes, sir, you are sharing only one window of the things.
Now it's fine.
Now it is showing.
Yes, sir. Now the slide change.
Now polymerization, addition polymerization is showing now.
Yes, sir, it is.
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
showing, sir.
Okay, addition polymerization. Now okay. Slideshow is showing.
Slideshow is not displaying.
Addition polymerization is showing or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now, once you read the sentence, anyone?
Addition polymerization are formed by adding monomer units
Okay,
without
right.
any.
Right. No problem. Okay. Already now that condensation polymerization is showing or not?
No, sir.
Condensation
No, sir.
polymerization.
Addition
Okay.
polymerization list.
Condensation not showing.
No, sir. It's showing additional polymerization. Chain polymerization.
Now
No, sir. Same slide is showing.
condensation showing or not?
No, sir. Addition polymerization there.
Now
Now it's showing, sir.
polymerization, condensation polymerization showing na?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. Now you see students, now condensation polymerization in that nylon 66 is there. This is the nylon 66. The nylon 66 monomer is caprolactam. Already I written CH2, 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 NH, C double bond O. So this is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 carbons. Now this ring breakage takes place that form as a nylon 6. Caprolactam, when ring breakage takes place, that is NH, CH2 taken 4 times, taken 5 times, C double bond O taken n times. So this is the nylon 6. This is the nylon 6 preparation. Now next one is a condensation polymerization. So this condensation polymerization is showing nylon 66.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Showing.
right. Okay, right, done. Right. Now in the nylon 66, the monomers of that one is hexamethylene diamine. The hexamethylene diamine is H2N CH2 taken 6 times and NH2 plus adipic acid HO C double bond O CH2 taken 4 times and C double bond O OH. So this removing of small molecule takes is minus H2O takes place, that we are getting the nylon 66. So that is HNCH2 taken 6 times, NH C double bond O, CH2 taken 4 times and C double bond O. So here you see how many carbons are there? 6 carbons are there. In this, how many carbons are there? 6. So simply we are called as, this is called as nylon 66. Nylon 66. So the monomers of nylon 66 is adipic acid and hexamethylene diamine. The adipic acid and hexamethylene diamine removing of small molecule takes place, that form as a nylon 66. So this nylon 66 are, you see, so this condensed product, that is nylon 66, that are nylon fabric and nylon plastics and nylon roll. So these all are the example for nylon 66. So one more example for condensation polymerization, that is urea formaldehyde. So that urea formaldehyde. This is not we're discussing about copolymerization. Now one more example for condensation polymerization is urea formaldehyde. So the structure of urea is NH2 C double bond O NH2. Is reaction with formaldehyde with CHO, that form as a urea formaldehyde. Urea ureoformaldehyde formation takes place. The structure of that one is, you see, HN C double bond O, HN CH2 O, one minute. The structure of this one is NH C double bond O, again NH. Here taken n times. So this is the urea formaldehyde. Urea formaldehyde. So this is also one of the condensed products. So this is about condensation polymerization. Condensation polymerization means it is a polymer ఎవడా మెసేజ్ పెట్టేది జాబు బాలయ్య అని. So next one is the copolymerization. So before that, once again we'll discuss about the condensing polymerization. Condensing polymerization means the monomers elimination of small molecule takes place, then form as a thermosetting resins, So these form thermosettings are very hard and very brittle. So these example for condensing polymerization is nylon 6, and urea formaldehyde, bakelite, novolac, etc. So next, coming to one more polymer is copolymerization. So this copolymerization means different number of monomers combined to form a large molecular gain molecule. That means X number of H2C double bond CH double bond CH2 plus Y number of H2C double bond CH. So this is the 1,3 butadiene, 1,3 butadiene, and this is the styrene. This is the styrene molecule. This styrene undergo copolymerization. There is no elimination of any small molecule. That we are getting the Buna S rubber. That is H2C CH double bond CH2 taken X times, and H2C CH benzene ring taken Y times. So this name of this one is Buna S rubber. Buna S. So this is the preparation of copolymer. How we are getting the copolymer? X number of monomer and Y number of another monomer combined to form a large molecule or gain molecule. We are getting the polymer. One more example for that one is, suppose for example you are taking the styrene, we are taking the ethylene molecule H2C double bond CH2 plus vinyl chloride, that is X number of ethylene molecule and Y number of H2C double bond CH Cl undergo copolymerization that form as a H2C CH2 taken X times, H2C CH Cl taken Y times. So this is the polyethylene co-vinyl chloride polymer. Co-vinyl chloride polymer. So this is the copolymerization. This is the copolymerization. So types of polymerizations are mainly 3 types of polymerizations are there, that are addition polymerization, condensation polymerization, and copolymerization. Addition is exact multiple of original molecule. In that, double bonds are converting into single bonds. The monomers are repeating units, and there is no elimination of small molecule takes place. So condensation polymerization, removing of small molecule takes place, and there is no presence of monomer repeating units. Okay. So this is about condensation. Addition, copolymerization means different monomers combined to form a large molecule or gain molecule, that is called as copolymerization. So next one is a difference between the condensation polymerization and copolymerization. So the main difference between the condensation and addition polymerization is, listen carefully. So it is known as a step growth polymerization. Which one? First we'll discuss about the condensation, after that addition polymerization. So in the condensation polymerization, it is also known as step growth polymerization. Addition polymerization is called as chain growth polymerization. So it takes place in monomers having reactive function groups. Which one? Condensation. The monomers having reacting functional groups means it having the partially positive and negative charges. It takes place only in monomer having the multiple bonds. That means multiple bonds is nothing but double bonds and triple bonds. Double bonds and triple bonds. So it takes place with the elimination of simple monomers. Which one? Condensation polymer. Condensation polymers, it will take in the byproduct, we are getting the removing of smaller molecules like water, NH2 or HCl. So in the addition polymerization, there is no elimination of small molecule takes place. Repeating units of monomers are different. So in the condensation polymerization, in the condensation polymerization, the monomers are there. The monomers are not repeated units. Different monomers are combined to form a large molecular gain molecule. But in the addition polymer, repeating units or monomers are same. The molecule mass of polymer increases through the reaction. The molecular mass of the polymer is increases through the reactions. When reaction is going on, its weight of polymer molecule is increases. Is a little change in the molecular mass of the addition polymers. So in the condensation polymerization, best example is nylon 6,6. If you are taking the nylon 6,6 hexamethylene diamine is reaction with adipic acid, that form as a nylon 6,6. It contains a large molecule takes place. So the molecular mass of the polymer is increases. But in the addition polymerization, the molecular mass of slowly increases. Little bit change takes place. So best example for condensation polymerization is the nylon 6 addition, nylon 6,6, bakelite, novolac, urea formaldehyde, etc. The best example for addition polymerization is polythene, polyvinyl chloride, polyacrylonitrile, polystyrene, etc. So these all are the types of polymerization and difference between the addition and condensation polymerization. Once again, listen students. So condensation polymerization, difference between the condensation and copolymerization, condensation and addition polymerization. Condensation polymerization is known as step growth polymerization, and addition polymerization is also known as chain growth. Addition is chain. Why we are called as a chain? It contains a long chain. Suppose take the ethylene molecule. Ethylene molecule, when undergo polymerization, the form is CH2, etc. formation takes place. That means chain growth polymerization. This is the step growth polymerization. Now in the condensation polymerization, it takes place in monomers having reactive functional groups. That means reactive functional groups means it having the partially positive and negative charge. It takes place only in monomers having multiple bonds. Condensation polymerization. It takes place with elimination of simple molecules like H2O, NH3, HCl, CH2O, HR, NaCl, etc. In addition polymerization, it takes place without elimination of simple molecules. So in the condensation polymerization, repeat units of monomers are different. Best example is same as the nylon 6,6. One is the adipic acid, one more is hexamethyldiamine. The monomers are different. But in the addition polymers, the monomers are same. CH2, double bond CH2, when under polymers in the form as CH2, CH2, CH2. Monomers are same. The polymer is formed in gradual steps. The polymers are formed in gradual steps. Reaction is fast and polymers formed at once only. So in the addition polymers, reaction is fast and polymer is formed at once only. The molecular mass of polymer increases through the reaction in the condensation polymerization. The molecular mass of the polymer increases when reaction is going on. So this little bit changing takes place in the addition polymerization. Product obtained in the condensation polymerization, the product obtained may be thermoplastic and thermosetting. In the addition polymer, the polymer is thermoplastic only. So what is the thermoplastic and what is the thermosetting? One by one discussed after that. So best the condensation polymerization, the examples of that one is nylon 6, bakelite, polyester, polyamides, etc. And addition polymerization, that is polythene, polyvinyl chloride, polyacrylonitrile, polystyrene. These all are the examples about addition polymerization. These all are the difference between the condensation polymerization and addition polymerization. So now the condensation polymerization undergo thermoplastic and thermosetting, but addition polymerization only undergoes thermoplastic only. What is meant by thermoplastic? Thermoplastic means the in between the carbon to carbon weak van der Waals forces are present that easily broken, easily melting takes place. When we are given the 50 or 60 degree or 100 degree centigrade temperature, that easily flexible. So that is called thermoplastics. Thermosetting means when after molding process, 3-dimensional crosslinks are present and strong covalent bond is present in between the carbon to carbon, then it become hard and brittle. So that is called as thermosetting resins. Tomorrow class we'll discuss about the what is the plastics, that is thermoplastic resins and thermosetting resins. Tomorrow we'll discuss. Now today, have any doubts? Please raise your hand.
No, sir.
Okay.
Sir, will you send the PPTs on the CMS log?
Huh?
The PPTs, sir, this one on the CMS log.
I'm not understood. Hello?
Sir is asking, will you upload PPTs and CMS login?
Okay, sure. I will upload. Yesterday I already uploaded, na?
సార్
Hmm.
సార్ ఇది టిఎస్సి పాస్ అప్లికేషన్ ఎప్పుడు సబ్మిట్ చేయాలి సార్ కాలేజ్లో?
టిఎస్సి పాస్ టైం ఉండొచ్చు, మీకు టైం ఇస్తారు. ఫస్ట్ ఇయర్ వాళ్ళకి ఇచ్చారా టైం?
సార్ 15th వరకు ఇచ్చేయమని చెప్పినారు సార్ వాళ్ళు సబ్మిషన్.
ఏం ఐడియా లేదబ్బా నాకు మరి.
కుమార్ సార్ వస్తలేరా సార్ కాలేజ్కి?
Hmm?
కుమార్ సార్
కుమార్ ఎవరు?
సార్ అదే స్కాలర్షిప్ లో ఉంటారు కదా సార్ ప్రిన్సిపల్ దగ్గర. కుమార్ సార్
ఉన్నాడు. ఫోన్ చేయండి ఆయనకి.
అది స్విచ్ ఆఫ్ వస్తుంది సార్ 2 days నుంచి ఫోన్
రావట్లేదు వచ్చైతే. ఎందుకు స్కాలర్షిప్ అప్లై చేసుకోవాలి కదా, చేసుకోవాలి ఇంకా?
అప్లై చేసినాక కాలేజ్లో సబ్మిట్ చేయాలి కదా సార్, అదే ఎప్పుడు చేయాలని అర్థమవుతలేదు.
చేయాలి, వచ్చి కాలేజీలో కలవండి అయితే. కుమార్ సార్ గారు చూసుకునేది.
ఓకే సార్.